Today is March 2nd. We are doing our one box limited random teams break. One box of limited up in the background. Here is our spots. We have Kyle, Lauren, Carl for 2, Kevin for 3, Chris for 2, Douglas, Raymond for 2, Douglas again, Mark for 3, Andrew for 1, Michael for 1, Brian for 1, Jay for 1, Eric for 1, Frederick for 1, Ryan for 1, Greg for 2, Chris for 2, and then Jeremy to round us off for 5 on the bottom. Gonna be rolling the dice for both of our randoms now. We do only re-roll snake eyes. Gonna be rolling 7 times. Starting with the names, we have Kyle on top, running down to Jeremy on the bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. Have Chris on top and Andrew on bottom. Run 7 times. Have Chris be on top and Andrew on bottom, rounding off. We are going to run the teams now. Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Bears, Bengals, Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, Colts, Jags, Chiefs, Chargers, Rams, Raiders, Dolphins, Vikings, Patriots, Saints, Giants, Jets, Eagles, Steelers, 49ers, Seahawks, Bucks, Titans, and football team to round us off. Same thing 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. Have the Ravens on top and the Panthers on bottom to round us off. Seven times. Fill those teams in here. Baltimore Ravens on top and Panthers on bottom to round us off. Sorting. All right, gonna switch this to 75 so everybody can see. Have Andrew with the Panthers, Brian with the Chiefs, Carl with the Rams and Jaguars, Chris with the Ravens, Lions, Steelers, and Eagles, Douglas with the Browns and Saints, Eric with the Cardinals, Frederick with the football team, Greg with the Patriots and Colts, Jay with the Jets, Jeremy with the Bills, Broncos, Chargers, Bengals, and Packers. Very nice random there, Jeremy. Kevin with the Texans, Dolphins, and Falcons. Kyle with the Raiders. Lauren L. with the Giants. Mark with the Seahawks, Titans, and Vikings. Michael with the Cowboys. Raymond with the Bucks and Bears. And Ryan G. to round us off with the 49ers. Our trade window is going to be open for a minute or two. Both parties must confirm, and we will get those switched up. All available trades can go in chat if anybody is interested. Ryan Jeremy is offering the 49ers for the Bills. Carl is offering Ryan the Jags or Rams for 49ers. Jeremy killed it. Chargers, Bengals, and Packers. Jeremy's going to stick with the Bills. Ryan Carl's trade is still available if you are interested. Any other trades, drop them in chat. We are going to give it another minute or two and then get started. Appreciate everybody filling up limited today. All right, one more minute. Trade window is available. If not, we will be switching over and getting the break started. Sounds good. Ryan is going to stick with the 49ers. About 30 more seconds. Feel free to drop one below. If not, we're going to get started. Thanks for everybody tuning in and joining us for this break. We are going to have personals run after, as well as our other 2 breaks available. Optic hybrid football divisions and certified basketball, 3 teams per spot. All right, seems like everybody's good with their teams now. We are going to get going with our break. Yep, here we go, Greg. Limited football 1-box break. Make sure that our focus is good before we get started. There we go. All right. 1-box limited football. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully, we can pull some nice cards out of this one. Here we go. Open box. Pack 1, 2, and 3. 3 packs, empty box. Putting that over in the side camera. Gonna start with pack 1. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Starting with a Daniel Jones. Dak Prescott, numbered 41 of 75. Have a Justin Jefferson here. Out of 199 to the Vikings. Not a bad rookie to start us off. Baker Mayfield and Tre'Davious White. Next pack. A Jamal Adams, Marvin Jones Jr., KJ Hamler, and that is going to be our RPA. 41 out of 199. On card auto going to the Broncos. Followed by a Cooper Kupp and Russell Gage. Should have our auto in here now. Kyler Murray. Myles Gaskin. And a Roger Craig limited ink to the San Francisco 49ers. 55 of 75. Cool card there. Followed by an AJ Green and Melvin Gordon. Gonna make sure to get those packaged up and shipped out for everybody that hopped in. Do appreciate the fill, everybody. Yeah, it could have been better, Greg, but some solid rookies and a interesting auto. Always nice to get different autos out of boxes instead of the same repeat combine rookies. Have a Jefferson patch to 199. KJ Hamler RPA to 199 on card. And I believe this is just a fuzz. It'll probably rub off. It is not dirt to whoever has the Broncos. And then a Roger Craig auto to 75. Quick hit recap. Thanks for everybody that hopped in. Appreciate the fill. We are going to be ripping personals now if anybody wants to keep us going. Do have limited boxes available for personals. This is going to close out our limited break. Thanks, everybody.